A team of scientists at the University of Kentucky working with biblical scholars in Jerusalem have succeeded in revealing the contents of what looks like a lump of charcoal. It is in fact a copy of the book of Leviticus, the earliest copy ever found of an Old Testament scripture. Believed to have burnt in a blaze some 1,500 years ago, it is too brittle to open, but its contents have been revealed thanks to new imaging technology.
This piece of charcoal was actually once a beautiful scroll with writing on it. It burnt down, and therefore now it is illegible. What we did with the virtual unrolling is to go into the insides of this chunk and to separate it into different layers and to find the layer that had the best remains of writing, and to unroll it.
The discovery was made using what's called virtual unwrapping, a 3D digital analysis of an X-ray scan. It's the first time researchers have been able to read the text of an ancient scroll without having to physically open it.
When I saw this box with something black, I never imagined that it would be possible to do anything with it.
Virtual unwrapping begins with a three-dimensional scan of the damaged manuscript, layer by layer, a process called segmentation. On the left side of the screen, you can see the software moving through the scroll image by image, tracing the shape of a single scroll wrap. On the right is the 3D model this produces. Next, the ink is extracted in a process called texturing. Using the 3D shape generated by segmentation, the software passes through the scroll again, this time looking for very bright pixels that indicate regions of dense material, in this case inks made with iron or lead. The textured 3D surface is then digitally flattened so the text can be more easily read. The software works on one small section of the scroll at a time. The sections are then merged together, creating a consolidated image that shadows the full text. In ancient times, many different versions of the Hebrew Bible circulated. This discovery holds great significance for scholars' understanding of the Bible and other ancient texts.
What this technology is going to do is going to open new horizons in scientific research, in the sense that we will now not need to necessarily destroy the artifact by unrolling it or by intervening, because we will be able to look into the insides of any kind of object, hopefully, without needing to do any kind of intervention.
The passages discovered offer the first physical evidence of what has long been believed, that the version of the Hebrew Bible used today could stretch back as far as 2,000 years.